Whether you want to send an informal letter to a friend or write a professional correspondence, the computer can help. Typing on the computer, also known as word processing, is easy to set up. So if you're looking for some free programs to write and print a letter on your computer, make sure to watch this video. Now first, it is likely that your computer is already set up with the most basic software you need to type a letter. So in your computer, you can check to see if you already have Microsoft Office installed so you can use this program. All you have to do is search it on the Start menu and then type Microsoft Word on your device. But if there's no Office applications installed on your computer, try searching for WordPad on your computer, as this is another free program that usually comes already installed on Windows. To access it, click on your Start menu and then type WordPad on the search bar. However, if you still don't have it, you can download and install LibreOffice, which is a free and powerful Office suite and a successor to OpenOffice.org. To do so, open any browser that you currently have, type in LibreOffice.org on the address bar, and then press Enter. Here you can select Download and install the application on your device. More so, while you're still on your browser, you can also use online word processors such as Google Docs and Microsoft Online, where you can create, edit, and collaborate on documents quickly and easily. Just type in docs.google.com on the address bar, or search Microsoft Word Online on the address bar. And those are the free programs to write and print a letter on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.